Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about how much it takes to invest into waste management for their dividend to pay pretty much your bill every quarter. So this particular company, I know for, my situation, I pay, I think it's once a quarter, and I think it's like $15 or $16 per month. So we'll just say it's, $15 per month. We're going to see how much we have to invest into their stock, pretty much for them to be able to pay our bill every quarter. So as you can see here, they currently pay an annual dividend of $3 per share. So if we pull up our calculator here, so assuming our bill is $15, per month, annualized out, our bill is roughly $180. So then if we divide that by the cost, or I apologize, the amount of dividends they pay per year, it's $3, right? So we're gonna have to own 60 shares of Waste Management in order for them to, pay for our bill for us, essentially. And the current price of Waste Management is $204 per share there. So you can see they don't pay a massive dividend yield. It's 1.47%. But the cool thing about, this company is they have a pretty good track record of increasing their dividends every single year. So you can see it was 54 cents, 54.5 cents, 57.5 cents, 65 cents, 70 cents, 75 cents, and so forth there. And if you go back further, you'll even see, pretty much every year they're trying to, be a dividend growth play. So we can see here, $204 is what we're going to use. So we need 60 shares. So 204, it's going to cost us roughly $12,000. So, whether you want to purchase that all up front, or, every single month you want to allocate a certain dollar amount to this stock so that it eventually will pay the bill for itself. This is a great way to look at stocks, and it's something that I like to do. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is this a bad methodology, focusing on particular stocks? Would it be better to just find stocks that are, better performing stocks that pay around that 1.5% dividend yield or whatnot there? Let me know what you think down below. Once again, this is Waste Management, very popular, dividend growth stock out there. And it's a trash company if you're not familiar, but yeah, I pay roughly, I think it's like $15 per month, and I pay once a quarter. So just some thoughts there. Let me know what you think down below. Once again, this is Waste Management. They pay a $3 annual dividend rate at 1.47%.